Hello everyone, this is our YouTube channel Biodiversity and Conservation by Ambika Prasad Research Foundation. I am Pravashni Sundi and today we are discussing about aquatic birds of Jamtara Forest Division. First, we have to know that what is aquatic birds. Aquatic birds are those birds which lives on water or around the water. For example, egret, dog, lapwing, flamingo, plover, etc. Of these birds are varieties of water bodies like river, lake, pond, stream, etc. Due to they live near water, they can easily get foods for their diet. Eats in their diet snails, small insects, fish, frogs, snakes, etc. During our survey, we found some common aquatic birds in Jamtara Forest Division. Those birds are least concerned according to IUCN status. First, little cormorant. Scientific name is Microcormorant. There are three types of cormorant: little cormorant, Indian cormorant, and great cormorant. From them, little cormorant is very native to Indian subcontinent. Next, Asian Openbill. Scientific name is Anastomus occitans. Due to gap between arched upper mandible and recurved lower mandible, their bill is always looks like open, so they called as Asian Openbill. Then next, cattle egret, scientific name Bubulcus ibis. Cattle egret are normally found on ground near water bodies. They often accompany cattle or other large mammals to catch small insect and vertebrate. Then next, grey heron, scientific name Ardea cinerea. The male heron are very picky about their mates. They will reject a female that they don't fancy. They are solitary birds, except during breeding season. They become very sociable. Then next, little egret. Scientific name is Egreta gurcheta. These little egrets are easy to identify by their white snowy body with slender black beak and black long leg. They are also native to Indian subcontinent. Then next, red-water lapwing. Scientific name is Vanellus indicus. La- Laughing beaks are red in color. They make very loud alarm calls. In some part of India, local people believe that this bird sleeps on its back with the leg upwards. Then, next, white-throated kingfisher. Scientific name is Halcyon smearnarcis. These birds look very beautiful and calm. These birds can easily identifiable because of its electric blue screen, tail band, and upper wings. Their throat part is white. Thank you.